In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create invoices in PandaDoc using Excel sheets. We'll start by getting your spreadsheet ready, open your Excel file, and organize it with a single header row followed by your line items. Common columns you'll want include item or name, description, quantity, unit price, discount, and tax. Keep headers short and clear and make sure numeric columns are formatted as numbers, not text. Avoid merged cells or extra blank rows, and keep everything on one sheet so it imports cleanly. If you use formulas, confirm the values are calculating correctly in Excel before you bring them into PandaDoc. Consistent currency formatting and a clean layout will save you time during mapping. Next, head into PandaDoc and create a new document or open your existing invoice template. If you're building from scratch, add your company branding and any placeholders for client details. If you already have a template, double-check the section where the pricing details will go so you can drop in your table without shifting your layout. Now add a pricing table to the document. In the editor, insert the pricing table block where you want your invoice totals to appear. Once it's placed, set the currency and default tax rules in the table settings so your totals calculate exactly as you expect. You can choose which columns to show, such as description or discount, and you can reorder them to match how your Excel data is structured. With the table in place, import your spreadsheet, click the import option on the table toolbar, and select your Excel file. You'll be prompted to map your spreadsheet columns to the pricing table fields. Match item to name, quantity to QTY, unit price to price, and so on. If a column isn't needed, leave it unmapped. Review the preview to confirm quantities, prices, and taxes look correct, then complete the import. If anything looks off, cancel, tweak your Excel headers or formats, and try again. Finally, customize and save your invoice. Edit any line descriptions, adjust column visibility, and verify that subtotals, taxes, and the grand total are calculating properly. Add your logo, update business and client details, and include payment terms or notes as needed. When everything looks good, rename the document clearly and save it. If you plan to reuse this layout, save it as a template, so future imports take just a few clicks. That's it. With a clean Excel file, a properly placed pricing table, and careful mapping, you'll generate accurate PandaDoc invoices quickly and consistently.